feel like.
All right, guys. Whew, wow. Hey, what's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets, and Junior was just picking his nose. Don't let him fool you. That's why his hand was up there. I saw it. We're doing another episode of From the Gallery, and Junior hasn't been on here for a while, but he's back, so that's cool. And basically what we do is we have Taylor, who you've never seen before. It's this mysterious girl who works in the back. Her name's Taylor. She picks out trucks. We got 5 of them from the ones that you guys have added to the gallery that we're now going to share with you. We're going to rate them on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being yikes, and 10 being
holy shit.
First things first, right off the bat, we got a 2008 Chevy Silverado 1500. Intro Dakota? I've never even heard of those.
You've never heard of intro wheels before?
No. Oh, is that bad? Should I have known that?
Oh my god.
So 26 by 9 plus 0 in the front and 26 by 12 negative 44 in the back. That's awesome. Decenti D9000 tires. Those I actually have heard of, and those are like an eBay brand, but I know of those, and I apparently don't know of intro wheels.
And then AccuAir, which is like one of the high-end airlift.
Yeah, air ride. All right. No rubbing or scrubbing, major metal trimming.
Inner fender raised and widened.
Oh, yeah. Well, to tuck 12 wide negative 44s in the rear, he's got massive lip, and it's tucked.
That's beautiful.
This truck wasn't easy to build.
That is beautiful.
I'll tell you that.
And then he's got the grille and the headlights all blacked out, so it's like a black strip across the front.
All right. You want to give it a number and then explain why?
Oh, man.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1,
9.
8.5. We're pretty close on that.
Yeah.
8.5 for me. Why? Because one, here in Wisconsin, you actually basically couldn't own this because you can only drive it 3 months out of the year, and our roads are terrible. So the good news is it's on air, so you could raise it up a little bit, so you don't have to worry about that.
Yeah, but he's also on rubber bands, though.
True. The only other thing I don't like is the black bar that you mentioned in the front. I don't like the headlights so black like that.
If his windshield was like 35% tint, like
maybe it would look better.
Dark, yeah. I wish the front wheels, which I know you can't because you need to be able to turn and stuff, but I wish the front wheels had a lip on them.
Yeah.
That's the one thing is like the lip. So the wheel itself is a pretty simple dual like spoke design, 6-spoke. But that lip on the rear just makes it. I wish there was a lip on the front. That's like my one little critique. I love that it's 26s. I love that it's on air ride and it's tucking and it's like insane.
All right, let's grab the next one. Complete opposite end of the spectrum. This is a 2012 Ford F-350 Super Duty on fuel couplers, the 22 by 12 negative 44s and 40s, little trail grabs. 15.5 wide on there. 10 inches of lift. Fab truck. Take a look at it. You think you've seen enough to give it a number?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
7. I was gonna go 8, but the wheels are just not quite there. The lip has like the bumpy, spokey things on them, so
yeah. I mean, I guess, okay, it's got bumpy, spokey things, but they're
I wish they were 14 wides.
They're sweet.
But I wish they were 14 wides.
I went with an 8 because of really minor things, like the headlights look kind of fogged up, but I like everything else that it's all blacked out. I like the traction bars too. Slight rubber full turn with minor metal trimming.
Next.
Oh, I'm sure you'll hate this
Another Jeep.
Because you hate everything about Jeeps. 2010 Jeep Wrangler JK, fuel hostage, 18 by 12.
They're too expensive for like, okay, so you can take your doors off, that's cool, but shouldn't that make the price less, not more money? And it doesn't even have a V8 in it, and they've looked the same for the last like 30 years. 3, 2, 1.
What are you talking about? You can't rate it yet. Fuel hostage, 18 by 12 negative 44s, Turo trail blades, 33 by 12.5 on stock. You can fit 33 12.5 and 12 wides on stock suspension on a Jeep. Just want to throw that out there.
It also looks like the same Jeep from 1994.
Oh, shut up. He's got, these look like aftermarket fenders on here too, because these aren't the OEM ones.
I like the hood.
The hood's pretty sweet.
Is there a supercharger under there?
I don't know. There should be.
I would hope so.
Tough Country fender liners, Smittybuilt fender flares, rugged ridge hood, latches, DV8 hood, DV8 grill, Smittybuilt front and rear bumpers, Allah, LEDs. There's a lot of things. I'm not going to read them
light
all.
bars, halos,
12,000 pound wrench, license plate relocation, spare tire delete bracket, sound system.
and 2 12-inch subs.
Here's doors on. Here's doors off.
Yeah, see,
Look
I do
at
like
that.
them with the doors off, but like,
Yeah.
shouldn't it be less money? They're so overpriced for
You
what
just
they
have
are.
to deal with it. Coming from the guy who spent like $6,000 on an old Bronco, which is basically just a knockoff Jeep. Oh, I can't wait for the comments on that.
But better.
People are gonna be so mad. I don't actually believe it. I just want to get you guys fired up. All right, are you ready?
Okay, yeah.
3, 2, 1.
6.5.
Ooh, pretty low.
I was gonna go 6, but like, I really like the hood. I really like the hood.
I love that you can fit 12 wides and 33s on its stock.
Okay. Let me quit being like a.
I like the
troll.
front bumper. I like the
12
hood.
wides.
I love the color. This burnt orange is awesome. These lights in the mirrors, I've never seen that before. That looks pretty sweet. He kind of did maybe go a little overkill with lighting. Like, I could probably lose the roof bar.
But at the same time, it looks like he uses it, you know? So
yeah,
like,
he's got a couple off-road pictures in here. This looks like it's from Jurassic Park. I don't know.
I like that photo a lot.
But it's pretty sweet. Can you be done complaining about Jeeps now?
No, because there's another Jeep coming up right here.
Here we go. 2015 Jeep Wrangler JK. It's on Anthems, 20 by 10, negative 24. Soil Open Countries, 37 by 12.5 on a 4.5-inch Rubicon Express Super Flex suspension.
He's got a lot of photos.
Straight axle stuff, you know. Here's him wheeling. So he's actually using his Jeep.
Wow.
Here's the Jeep being a jet ski. Here's the Jeep
rock crawler.
Sideways. Here's a Jeep with no doors. Jeep all
Here's a
full of
muddy
dirt.
Jeep, yeah.
And here's it all cleaned up at a show.
Wow.
He's got like the half doors on. No rubbing or scrubbing. No trim. 1/4-inch wheel spacers. All right, ready to rate it?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 7.
I'm just sticking with 8s today.
I had to. This one's got a little more than the last one as far as like the build goes and everything like that. I like that other hood better on the orange one.
With how much this guy off-roads, I would give it a better score if it had like 17 by 8.5 methods.
Oh, you wanted, if he's truly off-roading, you want to see the
like
off-road
he might as
setup.
well go with something a
See,
little
he
more
went with
aggressive.
Anthem though. With Anthem,
which is a really off-road brand.
Yes.
So I get that.
Like that's probably the biggest size that wheel comes in. Oh, maybe it comes in 2012, but like that's one of the bigger sizes this wheel comes in. So like that wheel also does come in like your tiny sizes.
But he didn't like skimp on things either, which I like. So like he got the Toyos, he spent the money on a good tire. It's an RT, so it's decent on the street, also decent off-road.
Well, it looks like he does a little bit of both, so it makes sense.
All right.
I don't like any of them.
Last one to do here. A little more modest. 2003 Toyota Tacoma. Works
It's a
wheels.
crew cab though.
Yeah, it is. No trail grappers, 275/70s, and a 3-inch body lift. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
7.
7.
It reminds me of my first truck.
Yeah, I guess it would be pretty similar to that. I'm sure we have a picture of it. There it is. You can see it.
Just as far as, so like, if this is someone who is like a father or a high school kid and this is their first vehicle, that's a pretty good setup. You know, just to like take the family around in or like to go to high school and type of thing. You got your 9 wides, they're nothing crazy, but like that package, so he's got a more cost-effective wheel, and then he's got a higher end tire, so if he still needs to do anything with it, he can actually perform with it.
That's true.
And it's a good looking setup on this truck. It's not throwing mud up the side or rocks up the side like crazy, but it's got a little bit of poke, so it looks aggressive when you're rolling down the road and stuff like that. It's a good color. I think it's a decent, modest setup.
Yeah, I guess I just rated it so low because I don't like body lifts. But then when you explain it the way you did, that's better than what I drove to high school. You know, my first car was way worse than that. So I guess in that situation, it is still a decent vehicle. And everything that we rate is like, it's our personal opinion is what we think about it. But
yeah, because I wouldn't necessarily recommend or of like, I don't like that he's got a body lift on there, but at the same time, if it's a rear wheel drive Tacoma, what is there for lift kits other than going with like
there's probably not a ton
full
of options
travel,
complete custom build.
Yeah,
don't worry about it.
Just spend 12 grand real quick.
Yeah, you'll be fine. All right, cool. So that's it. That's the end of it. If you guys want your vehicle featured, all you got to do is drop a link to it in our gallery below. If your truck isn't in there, add it at customoffsets.com/add, and then send us a link. We will try to feature you. We've got a list of about 1,047 people that want to be on it, so we're trying to get through as many as we can. We do one of these like every single week. And if you're looking to figure out what fits on your vehicle, that's what the gallery is designed for. So full specs, everything you need at customoffsets.com/gallery.
And then make sure to like, share, and subscribe. YouTube.com/customoffsetstv.
Peace.
Max, cut it.
And
cut it. Stop.
the video.
Pause. Clap off.